In this video, we're going to show you how you can buy Redo on the Telegram Open Network, TON. First, we need to download the TonKeeper wallet from tonkeeper.com. After adding the wallet, simply follow the instructions to create a new wallet. Next, we need to use a centralized exchange, CEX, to purchase the TON token or employ RocketX for a cross-chain swap from the commonly used chains, such as Solana, Ethereum, BNB, etc. Here I'm using RocketX to show how you can connect MetaMask to RocketX and swap ETH with the TON token. I'll leave a link to both RocketX and the other URLs I've mentioned in this video in the description. Next, we need the TonKeeper address, so open TonKeeper and choose Receive to copy the wallet address. Now you can paste the address into RocketX and proceed with the swap operation. Navigate to app.ston.fi and then choose to connect the TonKeeper wallet. When that's done, make sure you are at swap and then search for Redo in the receive field. If missing, copy and paste official CA for resistance dog from the description. Now we are ready to swap. Choose amount and then swap. After a few minutes, the swapping should be finished. If it fails, then just try again. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.